start painting the simplest part of the painting, that is the water. And I'm going to use ultramarine blue first. I'm so happy as we have the exact shades in our box as we see in the reference. And ultramarine blue is a very thin pigment sort of a shade always, so you need to do 5 to 6 coats over it and try to take a lot of color in your brush. And then I'm using cerulean blue and just blending out first, giving a middle shade. And now I'm going to kind of fade it off towards the bottom using a little more, using some water and giving a watery cerulean blue shade towards the bottom. Use a large brush for this, that is a 6 or an 8 or a 10 also will do. Again, I'm not touching the edges of the page just for the effect, but you can go ahead and touch the edges if you find that more comfortable. Again, I did a coat of ultramarine and another one yet because I found it a little faded before. And now on the right side we are going to do the same thing, so I've sped up the video a little more here. We had the coconut tree in the middle. We got a chance to divide our painting from the left and the right so that we don't dry up our blue while shading. And now I have taken a really tiny brush and I'm using ultramarine blue and giving tiny thin wave lines over the ultramarine blue mainly and somewhere even in the middle section, but I don't want the waves to be very highlighted, so that is why I am not doing towards the lower areas where the cerulean blue is really light and they are very thin tiny waves, almost barely visible.